guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here. Working on answering some questions that I've seen over the last couple years. Getting back to you guys on that. One of the questions that I've seen a lot here specifically lately, people are asking kind of what my background is or was before I started this company. And I really have a quite strong manufacturing background. Kind of well-versed in engineering, kind of self-taught, self-learned, not really through a school, but self-taught myself. But I have a business degree from an institution. And like I say, my background was manufacturing. So when I came out of college, I thought that I was going to get this big, high-profile manufacturing job working with some big manufacturer, and I was excited about it. And then I was soon kind of just disappointed with manufacturing and kind of let down because I was kind of a number on the time clock. You know, I wasn't really a value or benefit at that particular time. And a part of that, again, was my inexperience. But my background is certainly manufacturing, supply chain. That's where I'm really proficient at. Worked with a big company. You guys may know a little bit with this company. I've worked with Eaton Corporation, Bernhardt Furniture in Lenore, and I worked with another consulting company after that. But my background is specifically, like I say, in the supply chain side of manufacturing. And then I loved the engineering side of it. And I've always built things all throughout my life. A lot of people that knew me in college and even in high school could tell you that. But that's really what kind of drove me to do more of an engineering manufacturing type business, because I love both sides of the story. And I love working with engineers, and I love figuring out the challenges of manufacturing. And believe me, when you manufacture a product, there are hundreds and thousands of challenges that you're going to face every year, hundreds of things every month if you think about it. And but that's my background. So business is my background with a lot of self-taught engineering, specifically mechanical engineering, not really electrical. I kind of tend to shy away from that. But yeah, hopefully you guys like that. If you guys have comments about it, certainly put them below. If you have more questions, I'll be glad to answer those for you. Put those in the comments below, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram and like the Facebook page for future content and questions answered coming up soon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.